Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the island groups of India. Already you all know that there are two important island groups are present in India, that is the Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now in case of the Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island, this is a group of islands that is present in our country. Now these islands are the combination of so many small islands. The first one that we are having, that is the Lakshadweep Island. Now Lakshadweep Island, you can see over here, Lakshadweep Island is located in the Malabar coast. This is the entire Lakshadweep Island, and it is composed of small coral islands, because mostly the coral are the living beings that are present in this Lakshadweep Island. Earlier the Lakshadweep Island was known as the Lakshadweep, Minicoy and Abindivi Island, and from 1973 it is named as Lakshadweep. The total area of the island, you can see that is the 32 square kilometer. Administrative headquarters, that means the capital of this island, is Kavarati. You can see the highlighted part, this is the Kavarati. And in Amindivi, in case of this particular island, we can see there is a large variation of the flora and fauna is present. And Piti Island is only inhabited island in the Lakshadweep Island. Now Lakshadweep Island, the location of the Lakshadweep Island, if you see the latitudinal location, it is 8 degree north to 12 degree north is the location of the Lakshadweep Island. And in the longitude location will be 71 degree east to 74 degree east is the longitudinal extension of Lakshadweep Island. Now in case of the Lakshadweep Island, it is located almost 200 to 480 kilometers far from your Kerala coast. It is almost the distance it is there, that is 280 kilometers to 480 kilometers from the Kerala coast. The entire island, it is built on the coral deposits only. And in case of approximately 36 islands are present over here in the entire Lakshadweep. Now the entire group of the island is broadly divided into two parts by 11th degree channel. This is the 9 degree channel, here we are having 10 degree channel, and over here we are having 11th degree channel, and the island is divided into two parts. The northern part of the 11th degree channel is known as Amini Island, the northern part of the 11th degree channel, and the southern part of the 11th degree channel is known as Kannur Island. And this island, we can see that there are wonderful beaches are present, and in the beaches we are having the unconsolidated pebbles, cobbles, boulders on the eastern seaboard. So this is all about the Lakshadweep Island. The next island that we are having, that is the Andaman and Nicobar Island. In case of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in the Bay of Bengal, as we all know. This is an elongated chain of the island located in the Bay of Bengal, extending from the north to south. They are bigger in size, are numerous and scattered. The entire group is divided into two parts. This upper part is called Andaman in the north, and the down part it is called, that is the Nicobar Island. Port Blair is the international airport as well as the capital city of Andaman Nicobar. Now Andaman Nicobar is actually the elevated submarine mountain, because this is an island. We know island means all the side is covered with the water, but the geographer has said that this is the elevated portion of the submarine mountain only. And obviously this island group also having the importance also. The location of the island group, that is from 6 degree to 14 degree north and 92 degree to 94 degree east. Now in case of this this island is actually located, as I said, that is in the Bay of Bengal, and here also there is a channel that is called the 10 degree channel that is dividing this Andaman from the Nicobar Island. In case of the Andaman Nicobar Island also, we can see in the sea coral deposits are present, as well as one of the important thing of this Andaman and Nicobar Island is the barren volcano. In this island, we can find that great diversity of the flora and fauna is present, as well as this is near to the equator, because you can see this is the ending point of the India, and here we are having the Andaman Nicobar Island. We are having in Andaman Nicobar one of the important thing, that is the barren island, and it is the only active volcano which have been found in India only. It is close to the equator because you can see this blue color is the equator, and it is close to the equator, and because of the close to the equator only, it always has the equatorial climate, and the vegetation covered is thick in this particular island. Now the corals. Corals we can see in both the island groups. Corals are the living microscopic organisms. In case of the corals, you all heard about the coral reef. Reefs can be formed by the coral, and these corals are born or live in the shallow water, and because of the secretion of the calcium carbonate contains on it. And these beautiful corals are present in both the island Andaman as well as the Nicobar Island also. Thank you.